Let me say something that should make you a little excited and a little careful at the same time. Claude can now use your web browser for you, not give you instructions, actually do it. Click buttons, fill out forms, move between tabs, all on its own. That is genuinely useful. It is also something you want to set up carefully. By the end, you will know what it does and the one risk to handle first. Here is the plan. What Claude for Chrome actually is, and the real task it can take off your plate, who can use it because it is not on every plan, then the honest part most videos skip. The one real risk and exactly how to stay safe. That risk section is the most important 90 seconds in this video. Do not skip it. If you want AI explained straight, no hype, subscribe before we start. Now let's get started. Until now, AI lived in a chat box. You asked, it answered, and then you went off and did the actual clicking yourself. Claude for Chrome changes that. It is a browser add-on that works in a little side panel while you browse, and it can act on the page, not just talk about it. Think of regular Claude as a smart assistant across the desk. This is that same assistant, except now it can reach over and use the computer. Number one, what it can do for you. So what can it actually do? Real everyday things. It can fill out forms for you, the same tedious fields you type 100 times. It can move across several tabs, read what's there and pull it together. It can download files, take screenshot, even start a task and keep working in the background while you do something else. And for the apps you already live in, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, it knows the shortcuts. You can say schedule a meeting or update the doc and it just does it. No step-by-step babysitting is required. You can even record yourself doing a particular task once and Claude will repeat it for you later. That is the part that feels like magic. And in a minute, the part that is worth a little caution. Number two, who can use it and the plan catch. Quick reality check on who gets this. It is a paid feature. It is not on the free plan. You will need Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. One honest note for Pro users, on Pro, it runs on Claude, lighter, faster model, not the top one. On the bigger plans, you get to choose, and it is still in beta version, newer, improving, not bulletproof. It also only works in Google Chrome on a computer, not on your phone. The next part, the safety part, is exactly the kind of thing this channel exists to tell you straight, while other videos just hype the feature. One AI tool a week, honest, plain English, no code. Hit subscribe so the next one finds you. It is free. Now the important part. Number three, the one risk you must know before you turn this feature on. When Claude can act in your browser, a bad website or a sneaky email can try to trick it. It's called a prompt injection. In plain English, someone hides secret instructions inside a page or message, hoping Claude reads them and follows them without you knowing. This is not theory. Anthropic tested it themselves in their trials. A fake email or a hidden script could tell Claude to wipe out messages or overwrite files, and without the guardrails switched on, Claude could treat it like a real command and just do it. Now, Anthropic built real defenses against this, and they cut those attacks down a lot, but a lot is not zero. So you treat this like handling your car keys to a very capable assistant who can still be fooled. You do not just walk away. Number four, how to use it safely. 4 rules. So here is how to use it without the horror story. 4 simple rules, mostly Anthropic's own advice. Number one, start with trusted sites. Your own email, your own docs, places you already know, not random corners of the internet. Number two, keep it away from the sensitive stuff. Anthropic specifically says avoid using it for financial, legal, or medical sites. Your bank is not where you test this. 3, use the ask before acting setting. Claude shows you its plan first, you approve it, and then it runs. For anything high stakes, buying, publishing, sharing personal info, it checks with you. 4, Watch the first few runs. It works in a side panel. You can see, I'll be honest, the first time I let Claude loose, I watched every click like a hawk. That is the right instinct. Once you trust how it behaves on a task, then you can let it run. Do those 4 things and you get most of the upside with far less of the risk. Here is the one thing to remember. Claude for Chrome is a real upgrade, an assistant that can actually use the web for you, but it is a powerful tool, not a toy. Start on safe sites, keep it off for your bank, approve its plan, and watch it work. That is not being paranoid, that is being the person who uses it well instead of getting burnt. If this gave you the honest version, hit subscribe. One plain English AI tutorial every week, and drop a comment. Would you let Claude loose in your browser, or does that make you nervous? No wrong answer. I read every single one, and the most common becomes a full video next week. See you in the next video. Thank you.